This etude can be played in different parts of the bow. You can play in the lower half, you can play in the middle, you can also play in the upper half. I think predominantly most people play in the upper half, but you can try all three in order to try different techniques, experiment with it, and see where your weaknesses are. The point of the etude is to try and find what's hard and try and improve that. So if you are practicing an etude and you don't see anything hard, then it's probably too easy for you and you should move on to something more difficult. And if you find some difficulty while playing this, try to focus on that and improve on that as best as you can. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.